Good afternoon everyone. So in today's video we are going to be setting up a milling cutter on our Hurco VM10i. So the first thing we want to do, we want to go to the part setup. We want to make sure that the Z offset in the part setup is 0. So then when we go over to our tool setup, this is our 0 calibration for the tool length. So then we'll go down, it's a face mill, it's a 16mm face mill. So that's the 0 offset there. So then the tool feed for a 16mm face mill, 2,500 divided by 2 gives us a speed of 12,050, of spindle speed that is. It's a 4 flute, and the feed rate we'll put at 750 for now. So then the next thing we want to do, we want to go to the manual function, tool management, tool setup. We'll go back to tool management, and then we want tool number 14 that we are setting up today. So then we move the tool to spindle, and then it says check that the current tool is 0, verify assemble, press start and cycle. So we'll go down here, press start and cycle, and then it will say press start cycle to orientate and initiate the tool change. So we press the start cycle button again, and then that will initial the tool change. So then the tool is now in our machine, ready for setting up. So the next part is, the next stage is we get the tool height setting block. So then obviously we take it out of the pot. Let me just put the video down, we'll be back in a minute. At the pot, we put it onto the bed of the machine, and then what we do is we get the setting block, the dowel, and then we put it on the top, and then push it down, so it's set at 0. So then that will be when the tool comes down, that's where we're setting the tool up to. So the next stage is we bring the tool down on top of this to then set the 0 calibration. Let's do. So the next step is we'll go to tool setup, manual function, and then on here we go Z, press the 100, put the code in, and then we'll come to the machine, and then we'll wind the tool down. Wind the tool down to the top of our pre-setting block. So as you see, I'm slowly bringing it down. We'll get it in the center of the block, and then we'll slowly bring this down till our cutter touches. And once it touches, we'll then slowly bring it round to the 0. So then that's the top of our 50mm setting block. So then once that's done, we come back to the controls, to the tool setup, and then we go to here, touch this, and then we press the 0 button to then 0 that, and that will give us our 0 tool calibration length. And then that is the tutorial on how to set up a tool on our Hurco CNC machine center. Thank you for watching, guys. If you do like this content, make sure you hit the like button, drop a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.